Okay. Hello, good morning. This is Dudong again, your servant in cooking. I will teach you how to cook a tasty lechon. First is, these are the things that we need. This one is what we call onion leaves. This one is lemongrass. This is for flavoring and good smell. This one is some garlic to add some more flavor. This one is salt. And this one is ground pepper. Now, this is the mixture of salt and ground pepper. The question is, how do we estimate the volume of salt versus the size of the pig? Rule of thumb, it's better that your pig is not too salty, because if you need some more flavor, you can just put some more in your soy sauce. Come here. This is the pig. The best size of the pig to be roasted should be around 25 kilos. But this afternoon we will have a bigger party. That's why we got a bigger pig. This is what, around 40 kilos. But the best size is around 20 to 25. Now, first is you should sprinkle or spread the mixture of pepper and salt. Okay, you spread it in the everywhere. I put some slit here so that the spices can be absorbed in the meat. This one, I put some slit here. The reason why I put here, because this pig is very big, so I'm afraid it might turn, so I put some string to be attached properly. Okay. I will finish all of this. Just sprinkle properly evenly to have a good tasting lechon. Lechon or roasted pig. Lechon in the Philippines, hieu quay in Vietnamese, roasted pig in English. Okay. After that, we put the other I don't know what you call this. Other things to make this one more tastier and more
key ingredients.
Huh?
Key ingredients.
Key ingredients. By the way, this is my boss. He is the one also teaching me how to cook lechon. Okay, and this one to add more flavor. Put here. And some garlic. Some people chooses other things like black pepper, black beans. But for me, the most important thing is garlic, pepper, and salt. Okay. So after this, we are going to sew this one using a giant needle with a thread. We will sew this one so that when you roast, the juices from the inside will not go out. So it will be mixed inside the abdominal cavity of the pig, making it more tastier. Okay, I'll be back. I will sew this one first, and I will see you in a few minutes.